Hello guys. Welcome to Centaur Interactive channel. Today, we will discuss how to do email marketing for e-commerce business. Let's get into the topic. Email marketing is a powerful tool for e-commerce businesses in 2023. With the rise of online shopping and the increased use of email as a primary form of communication, email marketing provides a direct and personalized way to reach customers and drive sales. One of the main benefits of email marketing for e-commerce businesses is the ability to target specific audiences. By segmenting email lists and sending personalized messages, businesses can increase the relevance and effectiveness of their campaigns. Let us give you a few tips on email marketing for your e-commerce business. Number 1, build a strong email list. The first step in email marketing is to build a strong email list of subscribers who have opted in to receive emails from your business. This can be done through sign-up forms on your website, social media, or in-store. Make sure to provide an easy way for subscribers to opt out of your emails as well. Number 2, personalize your emails. Personalization can make a big difference in the success of your email marketing campaigns. Use the subscriber's name in the subject line and body of the email and segment your email list by demographics, purchase history, and other data. Number 3, create valuable content. Your email content should be valuable, relevant, and engaging to your subscribers. This can include things like product recommendations, exclusive deals, and behind-the-scenes content. Make sure your emails are mobile optimized and easy to read for any user. Number 4, test and optimize. Testing and optimizing your email campaigns is crucial to their success. See what works best for subject lines, email layouts, and call-to-action buttons. Compare the results of different versions of your emails using A/B testing. Number 5, automate your emails. Automation can save a lot of time and effort when it comes to email marketing. Use tools like trigger-based emails, example, abandoned cart, post-purchase, or behavior-based emails, example, welcome series, win-back, to reach your customers at the right time with the right message. Number 6, track your results. Track the performance of your email campaigns using metrics like open rate, click-through rate, and conversion rate. Use this data to improve your future email campaigns and make informed decisions about your email marketing strategy. Number 7, nurture and engage with your customers. Continuously engage with your customers and build a relationship with them. Encourage them to share feedback and respond to any questions or concerns they may have. Make sure to listen to their feedback and use it to improve your business and your email campaigns. Number 8, use an email marketing service provider. There are many email marketing service providers like MailChimp, Constant Contact, and GetResponse that offer a variety of tools and features to help you create, send, and track your email campaigns. Many of these providers offer free or low-cost plans, making it easy to get started with email marketing. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more email marketing related updates. Stay tuned for part 2 video.